So as you can see on the screen right here, Alan was able to generate $300 on autopilot while he was playing with his kids. And you can see right here, Michelle was able to generate $600 while she was at dinner just using this autopilot business. Now, chances are you're looking for the best online business for beginners. Well, you're in the right place, because inside of this video, what I'm going to reveal is what I believe to be the easiest, best online business for someone without tech skills, without experience, without any followers online. Now, before I dive into exactly what this online business is as far as how it works, I want to share with you that if you see an opportunity for yourself at any point, there's going to be a link directly below. You can go to that link and find out a lot more information, as well as join this exact business. I want to share a quick story with you. So some years back, I was actually slaving away as a waiter. I was barely making ends meet. I was just slaving away all day, and I was really looking for a way to make money online or start my own business. You know, I really just wanted that freedom to do the things I want to do with the people I love doing it with. So I started going online. I started searching all over the place for different business types and different ways to make money. And I tried almost everything. I mean, I tried answering surveys and submitting them, you know, answering these questionnaires. And then I realized I'd make pennies after all these hours of work. I tried something called drop shipping, where you basically create like a Shopify store, and then often you have to invest into paid traffic to try to get visitors and then try to sell this inventory and products, and it just didn't work that well. I tried Forex trading, you know, where you basically invest into foreign exchange and try to buy and sell and all that stuff. And I just struggled over and over again. And it wasn't until I discovered the business model that the people in the beginning of the video used, I use, and what I'm going to share with you in this video, that everything changed. So how exactly does this business work, and how can you set it up on autopilot where you can literally be hanging out with your kids, traveling the world, doing what you want, and still waking up to money? So what it comes down to is we're basically promoting products, okay? But the amazing thing with this specific business is you do not have to create the products yourself, okay? So what we're doing is we're actually becoming like an affiliate of someone else's products, and whenever we make a sale, whenever we refer someone to buy that product, we're gonna make money. Now, the cool thing about this business, it's 100% commissions. So when you make a referral, you don't have to give a large portion away to the company, right, or the product creator. You get to keep all the money. The other amazing thing with this specific business is you get paid instantly, okay? So if you have, you know, other job or, you know, anything else like another type of business, typically you have to wait for that money. But with this, you get paid instantly. So what are the 3 to 4 steps you actually need to take to do this business? I'm gonna break that down right now. So step number 1 is you need to actually partner with this business. The reason I recommend you do that is because all the resources are gonna be given to you. And again, there's gonna be a link directly below if you do wanna join this business. But let's say step 1, okay, you join the business, okay, the biz, right? What is step number 2, okay? Step number 2 is what you're gonna get access to is copy paste ads, okay? These are advertisements. And what we wanna do is we wanna post, okay, copy paste ads, okay? Pardon my handwriting. But we want to post copy paste ads. Now, where do we want to post them, and why do we want to post them, and how do we want to post them? I'm going to break that down right now. So what you want to understand is if you want to sell products, that's what any business is going to do. But again, with this, it can be completely automated. What we want to do is we want to post advertisements to capture people's attention. Okay, so you need people's attention in order to direct them to a buy button in order for them to buy a product. So what we do is we're actually going to be posting and copy and pasting, okay, advertisements on social media. So sites like Facebook, sites like Instagram, sites like Twitter, or now known as X, okay? We're gonna be posting those advertisements. Now I say copy paste because again, at the link below, you'll be able to get access to tons and tons of proven advertisements you can literally just swipe and deploy that we already know work. And what do I mean by work, right? How do you know if an advertisement works? Well, what you want is you want people responding, okay? You want people seeing this ad, which could be a photo or a text on Facebook, on Instagram, and you want people interested. Okay, you want people going, wow, like how does this work? I want more information. And what's going to happen is when we post these ads, you will start getting people messaging you for more information or commenting for more information. And then what you want to do is you want to send people to your link. Okay, now what do I mean by link? Again, at the link below, you will actually get access to your own automated funnel. Okay, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically just a series of web pages that will capture your prospect's email. And then with the system below and with the funnel we're using, it will automatically start sending out emails to that prospect, getting them to buy. Because most people don't buy it right away. So with this process, they will start getting this drip feed of email messages that will start sending them back to the sales page, which is just a page that sells them on buying, until they decide to buy. Okay, and then the last step is my favorite, and it will be yours: collect money. Okay, so then as these, as you start posting these ads, you start sending interested people to the funnel link, what's going to happen is on autopilot, you can start to collect money, just like Alan, just like Michelle inside of this video that I shared. Okay, so this is very simple, and this is why I recommend, especially for beginners, to start with this type of business. Now, again, there will be a link. I know this is just scratching the surface. If you want to discover the exact business, what this business actually is, how to join and get access to all of this done for you, again, go to the link below, check out information, and if you have any questions also, be sure to comment them on this video, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.